I'm a damaged car. Sometimes I've been crashed, patched up, and poorly repaired just to look fine again.
But beneath the shine, hidden problems can still remain.
I'm odometer. Sometimes I've been rolled back, twisted, or tampered with to hide the truth. But every mile tells a story, Hayes.
I'm a flooded car. Sometimes I've been underwater, then cleaned up to look normal again.
But hidden corrosion, electrical faults, and safety risks can stay long after the water is gone.
You don't want to buy a car like that. Before buying a used car, there's one step many people skip: checking its history. And that mistake can cost thousands. Today, we're looking at how to verify a vehicle using CarVertical. When you find a car you're interested in, everything may look perfect on the surface. Clean paint, low mileage, good price. But photos don't show accidents, odometer fraud, flood damage, or unpaid financial issues. That's where CarVertical comes in. The process is simple. First, get the VIN number of the vehicle. This is the unique identification number assigned to every car. Usually, the seller can provide it, or you can find it on the dashboard or registration documents. Next, enter the VIN into CarVertical's website and request a report. Promo code SLAVA or the link in the description will give you a significant discount. Use it. Within minutes, you can receive detailed information collected from multiple databases and sources. Depending on the country and available records, the report may include accident history, mileage records, ownership changes, theft databases, maintenance entries, and market value insights. One of the most useful features is mileage verification. Rolled back odometers are still a common problem in the used car market, and a history report can reveal suspicious inconsistencies. Another key benefit is accident transparency. A repaired crash may not always be visible during a quick inspection, but damage records can help you ask the right questions. Still, using CarVertical can reduce risk, save money, and give you stronger negotiating power. So before signing any deal, take a few minutes to check the car's background. It's a small step that can prevent a very expensive mistake.